do you think about my ported 381
Super nice.
mufflers, huh?
Yeah. They did a good job.
And then 661, huh? I mean 660, not 661.
Yeah, they did a fine job.
I don't think the MIG is beautiful on them, but
It'll get the job done. Though.
it'll do it. Yeah, it'll do it. Yeah, cool. What are those?
NOKER 380.
Nokers. Let's look at some serial numbers. Let's look at some serial numbers. That's how they go. That's how they're gonna bust that ass. There's a serial number. Let's look at another one. Like, subscribe, share, thumbs up. Take care.